All right, in this problem, we're given the values 11, 9, -4, 6, 8, 12, 15, and 17. And the question asks us, what is the mean of the data shown? So to find the mean, we need to add up all the values and then divide by the number of values, because the mean means the average. Okay, so we're going to do 11 plus 9 plus -4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 15 plus 17. Now we're going to divide all of that by, well, there's 8 values, all right? So let's add these up. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus -4 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 12 is 42. 42 plus 15 is 57. And 57 plus 17 is going to be 74. So we're going to get 74 divided by 8. Okay, so let's do that division. So 74 divided by 8. Well, 8 times 9 is 72. So let's do 8 times 9. We're going to get 72. Okay. And then we'll subtract 72 from 74. We'll get 2. We're going to add a decimal point here, and we'll bring down to 0. Okay, so 8 is going to go into 20 twice, because 2 times 8 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. We'll add another 0 and bring it down. Now 8 is going to go into 40 exactly 5 times. So 5 times 8 is 40. And we'll get 0. So our mean here is going to be 9.25. And that's it.